real quick, this is the other project, the 44 by 37.5 race head 311. Welding up the plug holes. This is the other side. Real quick, cool off. This is what my fillage at the moment looks like. I did those exhaust ports, remember? Doing up. Anyway. Oh, also, too, all this area, this will all be taken care of. All this, I'm going to grind all that and re-weld it. Same, you know, back to factory. So anyway, yeah, that's what I have to fill right now. I have to get in there and melt all that. I'll probably have to put it back in the oven right now. So anyway, so I let you see it. All right. Again, have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.